Hi guys, my name is Lilliana and I'm a barista here in Greater Goods Coffee Roasters in Austin, Texas. And today I'm going to show you how to make 2 cups of coffee in the French press. So first you're going to need a scale with a timer. You're going to need a French press. We're using the Espro, which is very excellent because it has a double filter. And we're going to use a delicious coffee. We're gonna use the giant spoon of your mother. We're gonna use a kettle full with boiled water, your 2 favorite mugs, and the grinder. And first, we're gonna be using a ratio of 1 part coffee and 12 parts of water. So that is gonna bring us a 50 grams of coffee and 600 milliliters of water. So before we grind our coffee, we're gonna try to preheat our vessel of the French press. So we're gonna take the top of the French press and we're gonna try just a small amount just to preheat. There you go. And now the grind size is gonna be coarse. If you're using as me a Baratza Anchor grinder, you're gonna try to use it in 30, 29, 30 coarse. Perfect. Now, this is the fun time to grind our coffee. Perfect. Okay, so now remember that you have to dump the water. We're gonna insert our coffee. And today we're using the coffee Stimulate, which is a Wash Ethiopia, Nicaragua. It has a brown sugar chocolate, roast almonds flavor is so good. So the challenge now is that we're gonna try to pour 100 milliliters of water in 30 seconds. And then we're gonna try to stir at least 10 times. After those 30 seconds, we're gonna add 500 milliliters more. Ready, set, go. Remember, 100. Pull. Now we're gonna try to stir. Great. Perfect. Now, 5 seconds. Go. 500 more. You're almost there. And you're there. Perfect. Now you're gonna plunge. You're not gonna plunge all the way down. You're just gonna leave it there and leave it sit for 4 minutes more. The total is gonna be 4 minutes and 30 seconds, okay? Hola a todos y a todas, mi nombre es Liliana y soy barista aquí en Greater Goods Coffee Roasters en Austin, Texas. Hoy les voy a enseñar cómo hacer café para 2 personas en el French Press. Van a utilizar una pesa con tiempo, el French Press, 2 tazas de su preferida, una tetera con agua caliente, un molino y su café preferido. Van a utilizar un ratio de 1 parte de café y 12 partes de agua, dándole 50 gramos de café y 600 milímetros de agua. So, primero que todo van a moler el café grueso, tamaño grueso. Si están utilizando este molino, lo pueden ajustar a 30. Luego de eso, quieren precalentar el French Press. Después botan el agua. Luego vamos a hacer 4 minutos y 30 segundos. Van a echar el café. Luego van a echar 100 milímetros de agua en un tiempo de 30 segundos y lo van a tratar de mover por 10 veces. Luego de los 30 segundos vamos a echar el resto de los 500 milímetros de agua y luego de eso vamos a insertar el tope del French Press y luego esperamos el total de 4 minutos y 30 segundos, ¿ok? Estamos utilizando el Stimulate, el lavado Es de Colombia, Nicaragua, y tiene notas de chocolate y de azúcar morena. Okay, so before you plunge down, make sure that you take out the scale so you don't break it. And now you're gonna plunge down slowly. Amazing. Great. And before I serve, I just want to make sure, and I want to explain that today we're using 1:12 ratio. But remember, this is about you, how you like the coffee. If you feel that you don't like it, you can always, instead of 1:12, you can do 1:15 or 1:14, increase or decrease the ratio. So this is about you, but you can start from here, okay? So let's try this one. Okay, and hopefully you can have someone who enjoy this coffee as I am right now with my friend Miranda. This delicious coffee.
Thank you so much. Cheers.